Alright, hey, what's up guys? Here we are, number 6 here, Banff Springs. Typically what I'll do is try to keep this one a little bit more to the right. What this allows you to do on that back left pin location is kind of come at it from an angle to where the green and fringe don't come too much into play. So we did get a tailwind here, one of the tougher. Typically in tailwinds, what I'll try to do is I'll try to use the top spin shot, not in this one because there's no green to work with. So we're going to need to figure out this another way. So typically what I'll do is I'll turn these to the side and we'll just try to size this up based on my screen. So for instance, if I was to put this in the middle here and just say, okay, the halfway point is 50 on my screen, which is kind of in the middle of that second bunker. And then halfway in between that and my edge of my screen is going to be 75, which it looks like is right in front of the hole. So I know I'm going to be under 75 because I'm pulling down towards. So I'm starting here probably at like 72%. But you got to keep in mind that you're pulling down away from 72%. So you got to use less percentage in that. So if I start my shot here, maybe I end up at, I don't know, 69%, 68%. I'm not entirely sure. You know, there's going to be some guesswork involved. You know, you're never going to just have the adjustment. This app gives you good approximations. So if I was to use the let's just reset. I'm not sure what happened there. Some kind of mistake there. So let's go ahead and just reset. You can see resetting the calculator makes this a lot easier. So like I said, I think we're starting at 72. We're pulling down. I'm thinking somewhere, you know, in here, maybe 11.4. And we're also keeping this ball guide short so it has enough time. So I'm going to do this in one pull because as you can see, you know, we have a relatively straight wind here. So I'm just going to kind of over pull my 10 because we're so aligned here. And I'm just going to try to make sure that, you know, I kind of hold this positioning. And hopefully this is a decent enough adjustment. Of course, it says grade shot. I don't think I actually hit a grade shot. As you can see, coming in pretty good. Just needed a little bit more of an adjustment. So I know I pulled at least 11.3. So we did need to stay up here probably in the 12, 72-ish%. So that makes all the difference. But another thing, you know, you have to factor out that ball guide expansion. At 7 miles per hour, it's significant. So that's probably the biggest thing that I did wrong, was I didn't set up short enough to the beginning. I was probably good at maybe 4 to 5 miles per hour, but at 7, I probably needed to be a little bit less. Now, the reason that I did keep that tighter is because I was landing on an upslope. So if had that not been the case, I would have actually put that just a little bit shorter. And as a result, I probably would have been able to make that. So keep that in mind. Good luck. I'll see you guys on the next one.